Have you ever wondered how much power you lose when you're running a flex fan? Well, I did, and so today we're going to find out. Welcome back, everybody. You know, one of the top comments that I got in my earlier video when we switched out the tunnel ram intake was the mechanical fan. You need to ditch it. So guess what I'm going to do today? I came back down here to my favorite place, Tom's Dyno. We're going to see just how much power the flex fan is worth. So let me show you what I have going on here. Alright, this is what I've had on this truck for years and years and years, and while I know it's not as efficient as some fans that are out there, it's definitely got to be taking some power away. So to all those guys that's saying that this thing is killing a ton of power, we're getting ready to find out just how much. Survey says thing just shot me.
Looks like almost 6. Looks like we went 401. Now let's come over here. These would be the peaks. Blue, 396 to 401. So there's 5.
And the green is the latest one, right?
And yeah, 406 to 414. 7
horsepower.
Look at that.
Well, let's see. Well, there you have it, folks. You know, I was expecting a lot more. You know, in one of my very first videos of the truck on the dyno, people were posting about, you got to lose the flex fan. You're losing a ton of power. So that got my wheels turning of doing this test. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get something out of it. And if you look over my shoulder here, I'm going to kind of give you a behind the scenes glimpse of what's coming in Casper's near future. Check this out, y'all. I can't talk about it too much just yet because there's a lot going on, but when the block says that, you know it's going to be good.